In this video, I will show you how you can increase real followers on Instagram. I won't be showing you any websites or application. So it means this trick is 100% genuine trick. We also giving you some tips on how you can grow your Instagram account. So stay tuned to the very end and you will increase real followers on your Instagram account if you try these tips and tricks. But before we go any further, I'm Fazil and in this channel I publish video on how you can grow your social media. So consider subscribing and let's get started. Before we begin, you have to use this method wisely or you can face issues on your account. I will open my Instagram account. I will search for a big celebrity. Once you will search, it will show the Instagram account. Now you have to follow this account. Once you have followed this profile, at the bottom you will see some suggested account for you. You have to follow these suggested for you account. Keep following these profiles. When you follow, you have to follow around 50 to 55 accounts. You have to follow 50 accounts like how I did by clicking on that follow button. Once you followed around 50 accounts, then you will start receiving followers on your Instagram account. As you can see that I have started receiving followers on my account. And guys, when you start follow, your following will increase. Now you can't unfollow one by one. If I go to the account, go to the following section. Now you can't unfollow one by one. It will take lots of time. Keep watching to the end. I will also show you how you can unfollow all in just one click. I will also create a new account and try on that account. So now you will search for a big celebrity, follow them. Then you will see some accounts at the down. Simply follow around 50 to 60 profiles. 50 to 60 is maximum. Once you have followed that amount of accounts, as you can see that I have followed around 55 profiles. I will go to my account section, refresh, and you can see this actually works. If you post high quality pictures or photos, you will also receive likes, comments, story views, etc. from these accounts. These followers will be keep increasing and increasing. We just started increasing followers. Second trick is to install the application from Play Store called #for_Instagram. Once you have installed that, you have to copy some popular Instagram hashtag, and then whenever you publish a post, it can be any type of post. After typing the captions at the very end, you have to paste these hashtags and you will receive organic likes on your post. You will receive likes and followers if you try these methods, and you have to maximum wait for around 9 to 10 hours and then you can use this method again and again. I will show you how you can unfollow all of them in just one click when you are following increase. And guys, once again, please use this method wisely if you don't want to face any issues. You have to install the application from Play Store called Followers and Unfollowers. Now I will open it. Now you have to enter your details, and this is a safe application. It has got 10 million downloads. Now you have to refresh it from here and you have to select if you want to unfollow 50 from top or unfollow 50 from bottom. You have to tap on one of them from these and then click OK. It will automatically unfollow this, and you can also run this in the background and it will keep unfollowing. This is a great method to unfollow all of them in just one click. And you can also see that I have started receiving likes on my post. Following is 0. That's all for this video. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you notice a little bit of growth on your Instagram account, then do drop a like, subscribe if you are new here, and must press the bell notification to all. So thanks for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.